Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. Taylor here. So on today's unboxing video, I wanted to unbox this Nikon Coolpix B500 camera. Now, I got this camera because I was looking for something that was kind of basically like a DSLR without having to pay the DSLR price, which can be like $600, $700, $800 plus. To get a really good one. I wanted something that would allow me to take pictures while I was traveling without it necessarily breaking the bank and being crazy expensive. I also wanted something that had a lot of different options and features and functionality in it, and this one does. It has a Wi-Fi, it has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, it'll connect to Android, it has a mini HDMI port, so that's really important. It also has the Nikon SnapBridge app, so that way I didn't have to necessarily take out the SD card to take off the pictures and the video. Rather, you can just transfer it to your iPad and stuff like that, which is kind of what I wanted to do. Granted, it's always best to have it on an SD card and take that out and put it in your computer, but if I'm traveling somewhere, if I didn't feel like bringing my laptop, or if I'm just too lazy to take my laptop out in general, then I wanted a way to transfer the stuff easily. Or while I'm traveling, because I have a 256 gig iPhone, then I could just transfer the pictures while I'm traveling from the camera to the iPhone without necessarily having to stop what I'm doing, get out a laptop, and transfer all the pictures that way. Granted, that would probably be a faster way, but still. So that's kind of why I got this camera. It is a cheaper model. I think it's $300 or something. I don't know. I'll link it down below. So anyways, let's go ahead and get this open and see what it looks like on the inside. So let's get unboxing. So on here it says that this is 16 megapixels. It's got a 7.5 centimeter 3-inch screen. It has a tilt LCD, which I thought looked pretty cool, and it's got a 40 times zoom, so that should be pretty nice, and it can record full HD movie and everything. Now, I don't think that this camera is 4K. It's not for the price that I paid for it, but Nikon's a pretty good brand. They have a lot of good stuff, so let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing you see on here is it tells you to download the SnapBridge app. I think is pretty cool, pretty good to do. I'm sure that it has a lot of functionality and stuff as well. I've looked it up and everything, and there's a bunch of cool stuff you could do with that. Then it's got the quick start guide, something that we won't read, and then it has different limited warranty stuff like that, right? And so on the side we have this Nikon strap, so you can kind of carry that around easier, so that's good. Always try to keep your camera on a strap, around your neck or whatever. It's so much better to keep it that way rather than just putting it in a bag, taking it out, putting it in a bag, especially when you're traveling. That's not the best way to take care of it. Now, it depends on how expensive your camera is and everything, obviously. Try to see if you can get a cover for the lens, and then as long as you keep the lens covered, then you should be okay. Let's see, then we got the USB cable, and then this does come with a lens cap, so that's great, little Nikon thing. So you can kind of put that over your lens to cover it up, so that's perfect. So that'll help. Then it's got a little tiny strap, probably put in the lens cap. And so then let's go ahead and take out the camera. I like how it's separated in the box, like this. It's cute. So I did get the red one because I kind of wanted something that had a little bit more color, but it does come in black as well. So if you want to go with the standard black, then that's cool. But I kind of like the red option just because I like colorful things. So I wanted to get something that wasn't black. This is cute. It's kind of the size of a DSLR. It almost looks like you could take this off right here like a lens, but you can't. So yeah, I like this. This is pretty, it's cute. I like the screen. That's neat that it can tilt out and everything. Not sure the actual practical use of it, but it's, I guess you can kind of stick it out, and maybe if you're trying to take a picture from a certain angle or whatever, you could do it like that, but I don't see a way in which you can kind of do it on the camera that I'm using, on the Canon that I'm recording this video on. There's a screen that actually flips around and I can see myself in the viewfinder. This one, you wouldn't necessarily be able to see yourself while you're like taking a picture or recording something, but you know, we'll see. Okay, so there's the flash, so their button comes up. And it looks like it has like a couple different options for like zooming in and everything. So it looks like the batteries and everything go in here. Now, I don't like the fact, now this is like a cheaper model camera, obviously, but I don't like the fact that you have to stick in like AA batteries into this. It looks like it takes like 4 of them. I'm not a huge fan of that, just because like I'd rather have like the single battery that like charges and everything. This would either I have to buy rechargeable AA batteries and something, or I'd have to continuously stock up on AA batteries all the time. Hopefully, at least it has like a pretty good, long-lasting like battery life. I mean, I guess it kind of depends on the AA batteries, but still. Let's see if I can turn it on. Give me just a second. All right, so we've got 4 batteries put in here and an SD card, so let's go ahead. And now I'm going to be actually making like an actual like review video of this product after I use it for a little bit, but I just wanted to kind of like, you know, do like an initial turning on and show you guys like what it looks like and take a picture with it and everything. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll choose the time zone and stuff later. Okay, so it has like a nice zoom and everything. I like that. Let's go ahead and we can get like a close-up on my living room. Is it gonna focus, or I need to zoom in a bit more? Yes, like this looks like it looks pretty good for the price of it. Let's go ahead and snap like a why are we not? There we go. I'm not sure what that like little orange blinking light is or whatever, but yeah, it seems to not be wanting to like take pictures right away. No, it does have this like huge thing that kind of, yeah, that goes out far. Look at that. That's a definite grower. Yeah, so there, I'm not sure why you need like 2 different options of like moving this or whatever, because you have the one on the side and then the one at top. But yeah, like this seems pretty cool. It definitely seems like for the amount that I paid for it, it might be like something that's definitely going to be worth the cost of it. It is kind of a little bit bigger, but it's not heavy, so that's good. But anyway, so I am definitely going to review it, so definitely like check that out. And if you want to get one of these, I will link it down below, so click the link down below to purchase it from Amazon. I will include the price and everything down there, and then it'll have a link for you to purchase it from Amazon. And thank you guys for watching so much. If you like this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe down below. And be sure to check out my other unboxing videos here. And if you want to see reviews of the things that I have unboxed, then click up here to see those things. And I will see you guys around the world. Bye.